Good morning here in Montego Bay, Jamaica.
Montego
See how
Bay.
beautiful that is behind us and everything. Isn't it beautiful?
Beautiful.
All right, so anyway, we'll be right back. To this side, not so pretty on this side. Anyway, here we are in Montego Bay, as I just said.
Montego Bay.
So remember, and I've told you before, if you're coming to Montego Bay, book an excursion.
Yes.
Because there is absolutely nothing to do in the port. Nothing.
But stay on the ship.
They set up a couple of little tents,
You can stay on the ship.
and I'll show you that in a second. But that's pretty much it, or stay on the ship.
Yeah.
Okay?
That's what I said.
And we heard Jimmy Buffett's is closed.
We'll see.
We're gonna go find out.
1%.
Yeah, Wanda said. So, all right. See ya. So I saw somebody on another channel the other day saying water was about $12 a bottle. This is a large bottle of water. It is $4.50. Okay, and then they do charge, I think, some kind of gratuity, but it's not much. So for $5, okay, not bad. Nice and quiet in here today. Look at those dorks. Look at those dorks. Look at that dork. Alright, this is your terminal in Jamaica. Montego Bay, that is. And this is where you want to get your hop on, hop off, and they are doing it on the ship now, so you can actually get it on the ship, not wait in line down here. Here we are in Jamaica. We just left the port. We've been pulled over by customs.
You can see them talking.
Oh no. Oh no. Would our driver be wanted or something? So anyway, so what they said was they're concerned about our safety. It's Jamaica. Oh, that's right. It's Jamaica. Pretty funny, but they got a roadblock. Awesome.
They'll keep us.
Well, it'll be the first time we've ever had a roadblock in Jamaica. Oh, they want to keep us? No, they do not. They'll kick us out in 8 hours. Hopefully we don't get put in the brig. Oh, there's no brig. Jail. Oh, he got it back on and got back off. Oh well, I'll let you know how this turns out. Huh?
Tell them what I really said. I didn't say that.
This is our tour here.
No, it's not your tour. Tour doesn't start as that.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Gotcha.
They just clean and check. Let's make sure you guys are safe.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
No, I didn't.
I think what it is he's not allowed to have that girl right there swinging in the window.
Pretty cool driver.
Running that way.
He's never, give it to him. Do it to him before he gets off, because you'll never see him again. Oh, here he comes.
Why is he in handcuffs? No, I'm joking. No,
Passengers, thank you for your time. Go and enjoy yourselves, man.
All right, as you see, I think we've been cleared. I think we're on our way. It's all because Kevin brought an apple out of the port.
The apple got him.
Apple got him.
Okay.
Do not bring fruit off the ship. That's a joke. We really didn't bring no fruit off the ship. That's not all we brought. He did. He brought an apple.
I brought food because I ate grapes last night.
She did. So, but they're in us. You're not allowed to bring anything off the bus. All right, we're on our way.
Woo. Security face.
Gotta go. Keep from cooking. That's funny. Yeah, man.
Burger King.
I feel safe on my
Hey, I see y'all ship.
Hey. Just pray to God that when you come back, it's still there. Because if not, you're going to stay with me. And guess what?
Yeah, they know you.
I am a great cook.
So we made a little stop. There's our ship up on the top of the mountain.
I can't see the name of it though.
No, I can't make it out. Nope. My eyes ain't that good. Pretty.
This thing is like 3 stories high. It is.
It's a shame. Oh yeah, this was the ship.
Oh yeah, you can see a lot over here.
Okay, so you know what they say, right? When you come to a place, just act like it's yours. So we're going up there now. Get a better view. Okay, now we got the view we wanted. Is this not awesome? I'll try to figure out the name of this place when we go out front. But the bus driver decided to stop here because we're doing the hop on, hop off. I'm sure he gets a commission for anything we buy. This is called the Grand A View. Grand A View. I'm not sure if that's the whole name of the whole place, but I'll find out. So again, this is the top deck. And then you go down in one set of stairs to that deck, or you can take the little glass elevator. We didn't try that yet. We only got like 2 minutes left, so we gotta go. Alright, so here's your second level. And then this is your second level. And then down to your first level. And then this is your souvenir shop. A little crowded. This is Rose Hall. Rose Hall. Alright, so when they dropped you off here on the hop on, hop off, we got dropped off down there. If you're gonna leave, you go down the opposite end. So when you come to Jamaica, you gotta drink a Jamaican beer. And I know they sell it in the United States, but we're gonna try it. Cheers.
I got it all over me.
Not bad. Not bad at all. Good. Good. It's good. Yeah, it's good. Then again, after 3 or 4, don't matter. Right, that exact same lady was there. That's the hiding behind the pole. Yeah, she was there last time we were here a year ago. Over a year ago. We were here in May last year. Go Yankees! Alright, if you can hear me over the music, the next one we're going to try is the Lemon. And it's actually pretty good. What are y'all doing? Cheers! And what do we say in Jamaica? Yo, man! Oh, what are you doing, Kevin? Kevin, where's your hand?
Now it's our turn. We both got lemon. Here. Don't judge us. It's too big. Well, until we get to the bar.
1 year.
1 year for her.
So it's 2 beer my beer.
Just wanted to try them. They're good. They're good. Yum. Yum.
They should have.
This is from the Coral Cliff. As you can see, they're redoing Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville, where we usually go. But kind of closed for now. Said it got damaged. So here we are at Coral Cliff. They got the honey chicken with
Butter,
fries.
honey butter.
Chicken. I got the jerk chicken. Come to Jamaica, you gotta eat jerk. Since I am one. It's not funny, Chris.
What kind of sausage y'all?
Alright, so this is the only shopping in the port. It's the only thing to do in this port. Makes you want to laugh. Okay, what an exciting day so far. We made it back to the ship, as you
Made
can
it
tell.
back, but we
Safe
didn't-
and
and we
sound. It
didn't
is
get-
Jamaica.
We did get by the police, and we made it back.
You
We
saw
had a
it.
couple stops, but we're safe now.
What a ride back.
Yes.
And we made it back in
2:30.
2 hours early.
Yeah.
So we're good.
So we're good. We're going to relax for a little bit.
Alright, see ya.
Bye.
Where we going, babe?
We're not going. We made it here to dinner. We just sit down, and everybody's hungry, so we'll have a good dinner. Yeah.
That's why we're here.
Yeah. Eat up.
Kevin got French onion soup. I got French onion soup. Terry got French onion soup. Chris got French onion soup. Kevin got, what'd you get, Kev?
I don't know.
He don't even know what they're called. They're called stuffed mushrooms, Kev. Oh boy, that guy. I got 2 as well, because I copycatted. Terry got nothing. And Chris is still working on her soup. She's slow. She's got chicken parmesan and a salad. Terry got chicken parmesan and a salad. What copycats? I got linguine and clams. And Kevin got the linguine and clams. We're such copycats. Alright, Kevin got, we really don't know what a pear tart, whatever that is. They got nothing. Nothing. And I got a banana split. What Terry meant was, can I get mostly watermelon? They just brought her a whole nother plate.
Oh my! I just wanted like a lot of water.
So Linda's so nice to us.
And that's deal or no deal.
Where we going, babe?
We're gonna go to the comedian show and we're gonna see
Jim.
Jim
Brick. Jim Brick.
Jim Brick, here we go.
I know we've seen him before, but
Yeah, we'll see him again.
we'll see you then. All right, where we going now?
We're not going where our deal, we're a deal or no deal.
Deal or no deal. All right.
microphone. Virginia's got a dead microphone. Now, we need 4 more cases. 4 more to go. 7. All right. Number 3. Let's lock it in. Case number 3. We want 75 or even 100 be okay. We got 150. We're pushing it with that one. We are still gonna play through to see what you could. Case number 14. So let's see what was in case 14. 250, which means that in your case, case number 15, you would have had $100, which means you made a great deal.
Well, I'm from Ohio.
We can do this little thing right here. There you go.
Our daughters are here dancing Saturday for the Dancing at Sea for the State Dance Academy.
Oh, so you got the whole dance academy here. All right, Lisa, then you got You're keeping it. Then I'm going to be dramatic. And I'm going to open the other case first. So then we're going to lock in case number 14. Now we need there to be $10 in case 14. Let's see what we got. We want it to be $10. It is Did y'all just chest bump over there? Cheese. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Can we?
Midnight buffet. We got hot dogs, grilled cheese, pork sandwiches, French fries, pizza. All right, good late evening. We got up, we did breakfast, we got off the ship, we explored Jamaica, got pulled over by the police. Not us, but you saw it. They let us go. Then we went to a restaurant there in Jamaica, and then we got back on the ship.
Had jerk chicken.
Yep, sat by the pool. And we've been to 3 comedy shows.
Went to a nice
Deal or
dinner.
No Shill. Went to a nice dinner. Whew.
Yep.
So we're ready.
But the comedy was so funny.
Oh
His
my-
name was
Jim Brick. It's in the video.
He was
But
hilarious.
he's hilarious.
So now it's almost
if you
midnight.
if you don't like
Stayed
being
up to midnight.
she did. If you don't like being picked on, don't sit in the front.
Do not sit in the front. He
Because
was
he's
brutal.
funny. He's
He was
funny.
brutal.
Little, what do you call it, babe? The word
Risque.
spicy.
Ooh,
That's
very
it.
spicy.
So anyway,
Spicier than our jerk chicken today.
You know what? Yeah, that was a good one, Dave.
Yeah, and look at me. I'm up past midnight almost.
I know. You already asked him that. Told him that.
No, I did not.
Oh, yes, you did. But anyway.
I said it was midnight. Now I'm up past midnight.
I know. Look at that. All right. Anyway, so it's our chocolate martini time, and we drink them because.
So
So
good.
good.
So these are good.
And so tomorrow is Grand Cayman. Not even sure what we're gonna do. May not even get off the ship, but we'll bring it to you.
So good.
All right.
You
Don't.
didn't even drink any.
I don't want to bore you. Oh, I'm gonna chug it.
He's gonna spill it. Is what he's gonna do.
Mm.
He'll spill it. You know. So.
Get one of these. A little bit of ice
Delicious.
chunks in this one, but they're good.
Delicious.
They are really
Yummy,
good.
yummy.
All right, I'm sure you're tired of watching me, so good night.
Good night.
Say good night.
I already said
I
good
know.
night.
It's like
Good
a
night.
brother. All right, after I get beat up, I'm going to bed.
He don't listen.
Good night.
Good night.